Hey guys, post-edit Armageddon here. I just wanted to let you guys know that this was like my first video I've ever tried doing like the vlog style format. So some constructive criticism would do very well for me, and yeah, please give me some feedback and maybe if you want to see more of these or not. All right, back to the video.
Guys, beautiful day out today because I'm gonna go grab the PS5. Hell yeah, guys. Just gonna keep you updated on my drive, on my journey, and yeah, here we go. Hey guys, we made it, and yup, we fucking got it, guys. Holy shit, I am so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait to freaking drive out of here. She's picking up a Assassin's Creed for me, and then I am getting the frick out of Dodge, dude. I am so excited to plug this in for the first time. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, guys, here we are. We freaking got it. Assassin's Creed, first day game. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I just ran in the house. Okay, here we go. Seals off. Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, I haven't even seen it yet and I'm already pumped. Let's see here how we... It looks like we take this out of the sleeve. Sorry I'm on the ground. I don't really have a better place to do this. Nice little PlayStation logo. Freaking bet. Okay, it's giving us some instructions here. Looks like we just pull it out. Those are kind of weird instructions. Literally just said to pull it out. Really needed that. Have you guys ever looked on the back end of a Pop-Tart box? It literally says to put it in the toaster. It's kind of like that. Oh guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, this feels so quality. Oh wow. Ooh, good grip. Oh, it's not even that much different feeling than the regular PlayStation. It looks a lot different, but it still molds to your hand very, very well. All the buttons feel great. Oh, turn it on, baby. It has nothing to connect to, but those are some dope lights. All right, enough about the freaking controller. We gotta see this puppy. Quick start guide, nobody reads those. Looks like power cord. Okay, what's in here? Oh, here's the plastic stand. Let's see this real quick. Yep, nice little revolving stands, depending on if you want it to go vertical or horizontal. USB-C charging cable. This looks pretty short, actually. Might want to invest in a longer one. And HDMI 2.1. Too bad I don't have a monitor to freaking connect it to. All right, let's pull this baby out, guys. Oh, she's massive. She's not as big as a lot of people were saying, though. It's just a nice size console. Like she's big, but it's nothing to worry about. Oh guys. How do we get into this? Ooh, okay. Not bad. Oh, she's heavy. It's definitely a heavy console. Let's throw some of this stuff out here. Oh, it's beautiful. I am so happy. Yes. The plastic, people were saying the plastic looked cheap. It definitely doesn't. I was kind of worried about that. It looks like it's definitely fingerprints. Like a lot of fingerprints will definitely stick on it. But I mean, how often are you gonna be touching this beauty of a console? Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Heck yeah. That was a lot of nights, a lot of late nights of me refreshing tabs here. Okay, I can't wait. I gotta go plug it in. All right, I'll see you guys in a second.
Sorry, old friend. Maybe another day. Here we go.
Oh my goodness, guys. There's actual LEDs in there. I had no idea. All right, we're booting it up. We should see a little graphic here. Oh, baby. Get hyped. Let's go. I'm going to try to get as far away as possible here. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, that is beautiful. Yes, guys. Here we go. All right. I'm going to start setting this up, guys. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. Let's do this. Okay, guys. After playing Astro's Playroom for a while, it's amazing. The controller just makes the whole entire game. It's so much fun. I'm going to release another video on my first impressions on everything, but just a teaser. It's amazing. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Remember, I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 a.m. Pacific time. All right, I'll see you there. Deuces.